Mia.
Hi.
Mia is going to read the book and show how an advanced reader would read and do the worksheets afterwards. So go ahead.
The I.C. book. Dog. I see a dog. Cat. I see a cat.
Excellent.
Good.
Good. You've never even read this before.
I see a girl.
Excellent.
Mia.
Is that Mia?
Boy.
Boy.
Kobe.
Oh, is that Kobe?
I see a boy. Mom.
There's Mom.
I see a mom. Dad. I see a dad.
Excellent.
TN. By Vincent Van Gogh.
Illustrated by Aubrey Brown.
Alpha.
All right, great.
TN.
That was awesome. Now, for the camera, you get to show everybody how you do the worksheets.
Yay.
Yay. So put the pointer down. And I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to put some glue on there just so we can speed it up a little bit. Okay. Here we go. Wait. Here's your words. Now, you match. Go ahead.
Okay. Wait, doggy.
Go.
Okay. Mom.
Good.
Dog. Oh. Boy.
Great.
Stop it.
What a smart girl you are. Smart, smart, smart.
And cat. And go. Me, dad.
Excellent. You get an A+, and you did that with no help.
No.
No help.
That was easy.
Okay. Now, let's see how we do the next one. Show everybody how this one's done. Mia? Go ahead.
Cat. Dog. Boy. Girl. Mom. Dad. D-N.
I did it.
I did it.
And I'm going to write a note on the back here because I like to write on the back of worksheets too. I'm going to say Mia is so
Happy.
smart.
Mom.
Mia is so smart. Okay, now let's show everybody. We've got a couple more. Show everybody how we do this one.
Cool.
Oh, start here. Remember, I am so happy to read. I see a cat.
I don't. This one.
Okay. I see a boy.
I see a girl.
Perfect.
This one.
My turn. I see a mom.
I see dad.
Good. Is it my turn?
No.
I am happy to read. I did it.
No, wait. I did it.
Good. ahead.
On the back.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and draw whatever you want on the back. Go ahead.
Like this.
Uh-huh.
Hello. Ace.
You made a big H. I love it. All right, we have 2 more to go.
Go.
And that's our little package. Now remember this one? You go, I am so happy to count. And you circle each dog as you count.
2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 dogs.
Excellent. All right, here's the last one. It says, color the dog. Color the dog. Now circle your sentence first. I see a dog. And then you know what? We're going to color together.
On back.
Well, we got to color it first. So we'll color together. You color a little bit, I'll color a little bit.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, well, too.
Coloring is fun.
Mm-hmm.
You're a good colorer.
Hey, look. I'm color here. I'll color here.
Okay. Good job. You keep going. I'm going to turn the camera off. Thanks for being in my video. Mia, can you say bye to everybody?
Bye, everybody.